Just won the championship, and I'm here for vacation. My wife is from here, from Iloilo, so we spend our vacation during the summer in the Philippines.
When you talk about your time here in the Philippines,
yeah, of course, it's unforgettable my time in the Philippines. I learned a lot, especially under Coach Franz Pumaren. What I learned, I carried it with me to Bahrain, and up to now I'm playing. He covered me in West Asia, my friend. Still playing. I'm the captain ball of Muharrar Club. We just won the championship in Bahrain, and we'll represent Bahrain in the West Asia tournament next season.
Are you still in contact with JB Casio, Rico Mayoff,
yes.
or
I'm
other
in
guys?
contact with my all teammates, especially my batchmates, PJ Maroa, James Manahas, Marco. Yeah.
Rico is now vlogging. What do you think about that?
Funny guy. Amazing. Everything is amazing for him.
So you're watching, huh?
Yeah. I follow them on social media.
Just talk about Bahrain basketball right now. Are you around?
Bahrain basketball is developing. We have good young players. They performed well in Jones Cup, and I think the future is bright for Bahrain basketball.
About your reaction to the PBA coming there?
Very exciting. Yeah. So when my dad broke the news, we were excited that we'll see PBA games. Filipinos were lucky to have back home to have PBA games there. So we'll see Filipino fans from Bahrain, from East Saudi Arabia. They'll be there watching the games.
Did you plan to also play in the PBA back then when you were with LaSalle?
Yeah, of course. I think any Filipino, half Filipino, his dream is to play in PBA. But I think I settled quickly in Bahrain after LaSalle.
Any memorable moment with LaSalle?
Of course, my championship 2007. Yeah, that's unforgettable. And especially winning the UAP season after the suspension year.
Yeah. Right.
So it's unforgettable.
Well, how optimistic ka lang na mapupuno yung Khalifa Sports City with the PBA please?
I'm very optimistic that the Filipino fans will fill out the Khalifa Stadium. No matter who team PBA brings in Bahrain, they will fill up the stadium.
Parang first time yata ito na PBA game lalabas.
PBA games, yes, but PBA teams they've been in Bahrain, Santa Lucia, Rain or Shine. Not sure the other teams, but that's what I remember right now. Gilas, they were there before under Coach Raiko Turuman. Yeah, for exhibition games.
Pwede mo invite yung Pinoy fans doon in Tagalog?
Right now I cannot bring out the word, but mga kabayan, watching yung PBA season 50
Yes.
in Bahrain. Exciting games coming up, and see you there.
Thank you.
But there, thank you.